Spring dreamer, here is my song for you. I'll hold you as winter passes through. Sweet dreamer, this is my prayer for you. Don't linger, let us start anew. You loved me when the sun rays hit the sidewalk, and the streets were flooded with gold. When the treetops swayed through breezy mornings, and everything was so sure and bold. You loved me when the leaves were changing colors, and the clouds were changing shapes. As raindrops hit the muddy ground, and everyone was looking for an escape. Spring dreamer, here is my song for you. I'll hold you as winter passes through. Sweet dreamer, this is my prayer for you. Don't linger, let us start anew. You loved me in the snow that coats the landscape. Though my frostbitten heart was slowing down, when the sky was crisp with icy blues, and our footsteps made no sound. You've loved me through the change of seasons, through stormy nights and lazy afternoons. And I will love you as long as the earth is turning, while the waves follow the moon. Spring dreamer, here is my song for you. I'll hold you as winter passes through. Sweet dreamer, this is my prayer for you. Don't linger, let us start anew. Spring dreamer, here is my song for you. I'll hold you as winter passes through. Sweet dreamer, this is my prayer for you. Don't linger, let us start anew.